Today I'm cooking my daughter's favorite, broccoli cream soup. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams or 2 heads of very fresh broccoli, 500 ml of chicken stock, 100 ml of cooking cream, 175 grams of yellow onion chopped into small pieces, 40 grams of unsalted butter, some Chinese parsley, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. Fresh thyme is better if it is available. Half teaspoon of pepper, half tablespoon of salt, and 200 ml of water. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Cut the broccoli into smaller pieces. I only use the flower part and I don't usually include the stem for the soup. These are the broccoli that I have cut. Give it a rinse once more before cooking. Switch on the heat. I recommend using the stock pot for this soup. Put in half of the butter. It melts really fast as the pot is heating up. Add in the chopped onions and half of the thyme. Stir to mix and cook the onions until slightly soft, or about 1.5 minutes. Next, add in the broccoli and stir to mix. Add in 500 ml of chicken stock, half of the pepper, half of the salt, and all the dry thyme. Mix until well combined with the seasonings. Cover the pot and simmer for 10 minutes. Stir in between to prevent the broccoli from getting stuck at the bottom. After 10 minutes, the broccoli are cooked and soft. It looks like there is not enough gravy. Add in 200 ml of water. Cover the pot and simmer for 4 more minutes to soften the broccoli further so that it is easy to puree it. After 4 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. The broccoli has become really soft. This is the perfect balance of broccoli and soup. Switch off the heat. Puree the soup with the blender. I am using a hand blender, but if a normal blender is used, I recommend allow the soup to cool slightly before removing from the pot. Blend it and return it back to the pot. Alright, it's really fine now. Add in 100 ml of cooking cream and the rest of the butter. Switch on the heat. Stir until butter has melted and is well combined with soup and cream. Continue to simmer for 2 more minutes in a low heat. Continuously stir to prevent the cream from boiling vigorously and separating to become curd. After 2 minutes, the soup is cooked and looks really great. Switch off the heat. Let's taste it. Oh, it is good, but it needs the remaining of salt and pepper. Stir and mix until well combined. And we are done. Let's dish it out and serve. Garnish with a bit of parsley leaf. I am creating a pattern with a few drops of cream just for decoration, which is optional. This soup is best served immediately. I am having it with homemade garlic bread. Let's eat. Wow, so good. It's very creamy, slightly sweet and salty, and it goes very well with crispy garlic bread. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.